Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Parmak 902 12-volt gel cell battery, designed specifically for solar-powered electric fences. If you're a farmer, rancher, or homesteader relying on solar fence chargers, this battery is a critical component. Let's dive into its features, performance, and whether it's worth your investment. First, the Parmak 902 is a sealed gel cell battery, meaning it's maintenance-free. No need to check water levels or worry about spillage. This is a huge plus for remote fence applications where access is limited. The gel technology also offers excellent deep cycling capabilities, which means it can handle repeated discharges and recharges without degrading quickly. That's essential for solar systems where battery drain varies with weather. Durability is a standout. Parmak claims these batteries are highly durable, and from our testing, they hold up well in extreme temperatures. Whether you're in scorching heat or freezing cold, the gel electrolyte resists freezing and boiling better than traditional lead-acid batteries. We ran a cycle test and saw consistent voltage output even after several deep discharges. The low internal resistance also means efficient power delivery to your fence energizer, reducing energy loss and maximizing shock power. One thing to note, this battery is manufactured in China. While that often raises concerns about quality, Parmak is a reputable brand in the electric fencing industry. They have strict quality control, and this battery meets their standards. However, if you prefer American-made products, this might be a con for you. Installation is straightforward. It's a 12-volt battery with standard terminals, compatible with most solar fence chargers. The gel cell design allows mounting in any orientation except upside down. We recommend placing it in a well-ventilated area, though it's completely sealed and safe for indoor use. Now let's talk about the price. It's competitive with other 12-volt gel cell batteries of similar capacity. Given its durability and low maintenance, it offers good value for the money. But always check your fence charger's amp-hour requirements. The Parmak 902 provides ample power for medium-sized fences, but for larger setups, you might need a higher capacity battery. In summary, the Parmak 902 is a reliable, durable, and efficient battery for solar electric fences. Its gel technology, low internal resistance, and maintenance-free operation make it a solid choice. The only downside is the China manufacturing. If that's not a deal breaker, this battery will serve you well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description for current pricing.